Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the runway extension at the Sangster International Airport. And this is the airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now the runway used to be 2,600 feet roughly, and they extended it to 3,060 feet. As you can see, the extension is finished. It's just a matter of time before they commission the runway, but the actual runway is finished. There you can see it over there. Maybe they'll put another layer of asphalt, but this is the length of the runway. It's not being used now, and by summer of this year, summer 2023, they will have it fully functional. So this will be the longest runway in Jamaica, and the government is spending, okay, let me give you the exact measurement. The runway was 2,662 meters, and it's now going to be 3,060 meters, making it the longest runway in Jamaica. And in feet, the runway was 8,733 feet, and it's now 10,039 feet. So the Norman Manley International Airport, which is the second largest airport in Jamaica, that runway is 2,716 meters. And the Sangster runway is going to be 3,060 meters. So it's over 300 meters longer than the Norman Manley International Airport. The project was done by Lansden Irish company, a company from Ireland, and SNG, which is a local company. The Irish company, they build runways, Lagan, Lagan. They build runways all over the world. Very, very popular company when it comes down to runway construction. So this project now, the runway itself, the actual runway, costs $5.3 billion. That's Jamaican. And over $11 billion has been spent, that's Jamaican, to upgrade the Sangster International Airport. So the runway was just one part of it, because you know the runway is the most important part of the airport. But they have also upgraded the terminals, and the departure terminal is really spectacular. We don't have any video of it, but we've seen pictures, and for those who travel through the airport, it's really, really nice. Now, persons have complained about the lines, but that doesn't really have to do with the airport. That has more to do with the immigration and customs. For instance, sometimes when you come in, persons have commented that they've had to wait so long to get to the immigration counter. So hopefully they'll work on ways to improve that. But sometimes when you have 3 or 4 flights coming in at the same time, and there's one immigration hall, it can cause a slight delay. But that's the actual runway you're looking at now, and then right here is where the new extension starts. So this is the busiest airport in Jamaica by far. You could add up the traffic for the other international airports, and it won't even come close to how much persons use the Sangster International Airport. At sometimes up to 4,200 people an hour pass through this airport. 72% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come through this airport. So with the tourism industry in Jamaica booming and so many more hotels being built, 8,000 more hotel rooms are under construction as we speak in Jamaica. Never before in Jamaica has so many hotels been under construction at the same time. All right, so we're driving back out now, so you can see how far down the runway comes. And this is the White House area in Montego Bay. Now, what would be really nice is if you have places set up with a terrace where you can sit down and eat, and or just watch the planes landing and taking off. Very nice. We've done a video here before, and in the 15 minutes that we were here, over 8 planes took off and landed, or about 8 planes. This is a very busy airport. Now you can see them doing some work out here, but this is not to build any structure or anything. They're just clearing the land. And I'm assuming it has to do with the planes landing to get them a better view when they're coming in. So I'm not sure you could even build a hotel out here because it would impede access to the runway. But they are just flattening the land out here. Alright, so we're heading back out to the Northern Coastal Highway now. And yeah, there is definitely persons could set up something out here. There are hotels out here as well, but set up something where you can actually just sit down and watch the planes, even if you park up and watch the planes land and take off. Very, very nice view. All right, this is a Northern Coastal Highway now. Turn left, you head towards Ocho Rios. Turn right, you go into the town itself of Montego Bay. Actually, on the right now is the airport. So from where we are all the way to the roundabout, that's the Sangster International Airport. We have videos up of driving through the airport so you could see the arrival terminal and the departure terminal and just see the airport, so you can check it out. It's the Sangster International Airport, or it might be under the heading largest airport in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the video and remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember guys, we give you update videos on all the major construction projects and all the major projects in Jamaica every 2 weeks. And all the smaller projects, we give you update videos every month. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.